Hello, this is the museum's Registrar Emily, with another look into our artifact collection. Jarosalva Praglova was a non-Jewish Czechoslovakian living and working in Prague. After the German occupation of Czechoslovakia, Jaroslava began to write for an underground newspaper. She was arrested on June 19, 1942, and sent to Theresienstadt. Later, she was deported to Auschwitz. You can see her photograph, which was taken upon processing into the camp. She was then transferred to Ravensbrück concentration camp, a women's camp in Germany. This is her summer uniform from Ravensbrück, which has her prisoner number and the patch marking her as a Czech political prisoner on the sleeve. After liberation, Jaroslava returned to Prague, where the Czech government honored her as an anti-fascist fighter.